Think you're the top species? These 10 animals would like a word. Number 10. Regrow body parts. Like it's nothing. Salamanders can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, even parts of their heart. Meanwhile, we cry over a paper cut. Number 9. Sleep with half their brain. Dolphins sleep with one hemisphere at a time, so they never fully lose consciousness. Humans? Dead to the world. Number 8. See in ultraviolet. Bees, birds, and butterflies can see colors we'll never experience. Your retina just isn't built for that life. Number 7. Navigate across oceans without maps.